Good morning, folks. Nice and early, sunrise coming up today. Heading to West Virginia. Going to do my PFD on the new River Gorge today. So I'm pretty excited. Going to go out and meet a few friends. I'd be lying to you if I didn't tell you that I am a little bit anxious, a little nervous today. But I got a good crew that's going to be with me today. So my excitement level is still pretty high. So let's go find some water, y'all. Woo! All right, y'all. Not gonna be the best view from up here, but we finishing the day up right down to the bottom of this.
As we head down to the takeout, we'll drop off the boat and head back to the put-in. You can see how gorgeous the bridge is from underneath, just as it was from above. The road is winding, the scenery is epic. There you will see the beautiful bridge from below. As we prepare to put in, my nerves are very much in play here. As I head down the stairs, go touch the water, and then it's off we go. A little break-in session, and then it's off to Upper Railroad to begin the big water day. As I paddle and stroke, I often struggle to find the water and do exactly what I want today. And for the first time ever, I'll feel and understand what it's like to actually paddle up a wave that is way taller than me. But the adrenaline and the experience that you get from this, there's just absolutely nothing like it. As you run a rapid and then you turn around and look, you see just what you came through, and that rush just continues. So follow me along here, and I hope you enjoy my first descent down the new River Gorge. Enjoy the beauty, and let's go for a little ride. As you travel down the gorge, there are a few fun play spots. But this day was not a day for play for me, as I was just hoping to get down in one piece and not have any epic major swims, and I just wanted to come out of this thing in one piece on the other side. Here is the upper Kenny. This is the entrance to the three Kenneys of the upper, middle, and lower. And as any GoPro user would tell you, GoPros do not do any water justice as it flattens everything out. So these waves are way bigger than what they even look here. Up next is Lower Kenny, the final of the trilogy of the Kenneys. And just a great finish to those rapids. As you see there, I almost lost it, had to save. You'll see in this photo here. Have a good, nice, epic low brace as well to save me from tumbling over in this one. And making it through that, man, I was pumped.
I made it. It was ugly, but I made it. I think I hit one of them broadside, but I stayed.
Double Z is a nice little move. You come across, ferry across the river, and then you'll turn around and look back and see what you got to travel across down the river.
Yeah. Push it hard right.
Come down through Lower Kmart, you'll see the mountains and walls on both sides, just creating an epic view. And once that's over, you'll come around the corner and you'll get to see your first glimpse at the new River Gorge Bridge. Seeing the bridge from below is just amazing and breathtaking. And as you paddle underneath, you come to the final rapid, Fayette Station, with just an amazing finish to an amazing whitewater adventure. The amount of adrenaline and stoke that you feel on this water is just something that's hard to match. When you get your first descent down any river, it is just fantastic feeling.
You know what we get to do? We get to take a dry hair day picture. It's my first. So we just pulled off the gorge. As I said earlier today, I was very nervous about this trip. I had a good group with me today. Show me the lines, walk me down all the stuff that I was worried about. And what an amazing adrenaline rush today was. So I'm gonna pull out here, load up, head to the burrito bar, get some lunch, and man, I'm just stoked. Also, I got my first dry hair day, or lack of hair. Man, I'm pumped. What a great day today. So till next time, y'all, let's go find some water.